And right now, it's getting to that time where we get to start pitching. So I would like to invite the beginner team 1 and let me know who is going to be sharing the screen so I can make you co-host.
I'm sharing.
And then I need you to take off your camera so we can see you. And then I'm going to pin you so that everyone can see you when you pitch. So who's ready?
I'm the one sharing my screen.
Can you and I need to see you on camera, and I need you to tell me the name.
Oh wait. And then Balaji.
Okay, let me find you on here.
Should have done it.
Sorry?
Oh, sorry, I was talking to my brother. Just turn on the lights.
Okay. So I'm gonna make you co-host. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and I need team whoever's from this team. I need you to name yourself. Mary, you're from the team as well?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to pin Balaji. I'm going to pin cancel. What am I doing? Pin. Who else is in the team?
Me.
I need you to tell me your name.
Asil.
Asil. Okay. And anyone else? Sorry.
No, it's not already.
You disappeared. Asil. Okay. So the 3 of you are in the team?
And Musphere and Melody.
And Melody. Okay. Let me see. So I think I saw Melody somewhere. Is Muspira here yet?
I think.
Okay.
Was supposed to come. I don't know what happened.
Okay. You want to send her a quick message on Slack and say we're starting? We'll just give like 1 minute for that. Are you all excited? We have some parents here that are supporting, which is really nice. You get to see the work that your child has done this summer, the last 2 weeks. I'm very proud of everybody. We can get started. Let me know when you are ready so I can put the timer. And let me see, timer for 10 minutes. So let me know when you're ready and we can get started. Say go. There you go. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Say go. Ready? Okay. Go.
Welcome to the Racing Hope Foundation. We're dedicating to help those in need, especially in areas where poverty impacts health. Our goal is to bring people together to make a real difference, ensuring that everyone has access to the care and support they deserve. Today I'll walk you through what our foundation is all about. We will start by talking a bit about our website, then dive into our project, our vision for the future, our mission, and the journey that get us here. This will give you a clear picture of who we are and what we are striving to achieve. Let me introduce you to our team. They are the ones who bring our ideas to life and make sure we're helping those who need it most. My name is Asil, and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Melody, and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Mary, and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Balaji, and I'm 13 years old. About our website. The Rising Hope Foundation was created as an initiative to better the lives of low-income families and people around the world with providing medical funds and supplies and clothes. We plan to make a difference in the world by giving people who can't afford or doesn't have access to healthcare the support they need and deserve.
Our website helps people who are struggling, especially with their health. We have built an app that makes it easy for you to donate cases you care about. Your donation goes straight to people in need, helping them get things like medicine, food, and better life conditions. Our vision: universal healthcare. We dream of a world where everyone can get the healthcare they need regardless of their financial situation, as health is a basic human right. To us, good health should be available to everyone of all likes of walk all around the world.
Improving lives. Our goal is to improve life for those in poverty, connecting with care. By connecting them with healthcare and essential resources, we're working to help them live a healthier and more fulfilling lives. Upcoming updates. You will now be able to choose different charities around the world. This will now allow you to decide which specific cause you want to fund, whether it's in Siberia or Britain. User feedback will let you tell us how we can improve the quality and efficiency of our website for your ease. Adding different languages will allow people to easily use our website from around the world without any difficulties. Creating campaigns. This feature will let the customer create a campaign for raising money or supplies for themselves if necessary. You can also create a campaign for others, like your friends and families, if needed. Point system. How the point system works is that every time you donate to a charity, you will earn a certain amount of points. And once you earn these points, you can redeem them for rewards. For example, if I donated $50, then I would earn 10 points.
So, our journey and how we started this project. We began our project with a straightforward idea: to link people in need of urgent medical aid with those who wish to give. And now our growth and impact. What started as a small app has transformed, as we hope, into a life-saving solution for many people all around the world. We've made numerous updates and breakthroughs, both technological, so to our updates, and sentimental, because we've managed to give people a chance to afford life-saving treatment or solutions. Our unique project not only raises funds, but also creates genuine connections between donors and those they support, so through messages or sending heartwarming gifts and stuff like that.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We're not done yet?
Mhm.
Okay, now we're going to go to our actual website we coded. This is the home page, and I'll be talking about what our website is about. Our application serves as a platform for donation aimed at assisting individuals in living in poverty. Contribution made through the app will be allocated towards person essentials items such as food, clothing, with primary focus on medical supplies, as health-related issues are leading to cause of mortality each year. Additionally, we aim to enhance healthcare facility by constructing improved hospital, recognizing the significant impact poverty has on mental and physical well-being. The app will function as a free donation platform, inviting users to contribute without charge. Should this initial approach prove ineffective, we may consider developing products for sale that would benefit both consumers and those in need, with proceeds direct towards assistance efforts. Additionally, our app operates similarly to the Coward crowdfunding needs. Furthermore, users of the app will have the capability to establish their own medical crowdfunding pages. Licensed medical distributors authorized within the app will be responsible for distribution of medicine and other medical supplies. Now for the login. So this is how the login looks like if you want to type in your username and password, and it kind of works, but yeah. You have a password. And our donate, Mary?
So our donation, thank you. So our donation page, this is what it looks like. So every time you give, it's the same page. So you put in your amount. So
no matter where you are in the world, if your currency is in dollars, no matter what kind of dollars, or if it's in rupees or it's in euros, you can put that amount in, and then you can choose your payment type. It's only card payment, and then you have to enter your card number. Then you have the group recipient ID. So anyone who is a donor or a recipient, they have their own ID. And then you also have your account password. So because it's really easy to steal someone's credit card and use stuff. So you have the account password as well as the end-to-end encryption on our part.
And I forgot about the sign up, but the sign up is like where you like make your account and stuff. And finally, for the contact, we made it simple. You can contact us at any place. Yeah. So that'll be it. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Thank you so much.
So you're all done? Yes? Okay. So now we're gonna bring the judges. You guys can still stay on as the participants, still stay on, and then the judges are gonna come here as well. I am going to let me find you, and I want to add you as like pin you so like everybody can see you. Let me see. Pin. So Aska is here, and then Sana. So if you have any questions, please start asking the students the questions. Oh, Sana, if I can have your camera on, that would be great. My camera on? Yes, I cannot add you, cannot pin you unless your camera is on. So let's hear any, I don't know if you have any questions for the participants before we move on to the next team.
I have a couple of questions. Unless Aska, did you want to go first?
You can get started and then I'll follow up.
Okay. Lovely presentation. I love the whole mission. And honestly, the color scheme is also really, really pretty. I just had a couple questions about, so my first question was just about the target audience. Is there anyone specifically that you wanted to cater to first before you begin expanding? I know you mentioned you have a whole growth plan, but for your first product launch, is there someone that, or is there a particular group that you would pitch your idea to first?
So the particular group is people all around the world who struggle with poverty. However, since we're starting our app, we would probably focus it more on local people who are struggling. So the main idea of the app is to help people who are in poverty be able to afford medical supplies and medical treatment.
In terms of the donor side, is there anyone in like the local area, or are there any companies that you want to target?
This is more of a crowd-based donation, so users, anyone can donate. If companies do wish to be part of the app, which we might work on in the future, then they are welcome to create a group account, a medically licensed group account, so they'll also be able to donate medical supplies, which other users can just donate funds. So that's something to think about in the future.
Cool. My next question was about the point system. I love the idea of gamifying things like this. I think it's a huge incentive for people. I might have missed it, but when users generate a certain number of points, where would they use those points for? Or is it for the next donation, or how does that work?
So basically, once you get the certain amount of points, there would be like another part of the website that would basically you could get like gift cards for places like Tim Hortons, Starbucks, places like that. And it's not so much for the next time you donate, just more for like more fun places like coffee shops, stores, stuff like that.
That's like an awesome incentive, I think, for people for donating. My last question is around just the financial strategy part. So for example, like GoFundMe, I know that they take a processing fee when anyone donates, and also just like when someone has their own platform. So I was more curious about like for the Rising Hope Foundation, what is your strategy to keep the website running in the long term?
So we do heavily rely on user funds. However, we do invest ourselves, and we are self-backed. As you can say, we're financially independent at the beginning. But then afterwards, we do plan on taking in some investors from other companies.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for answering all my questions. I'll pass it on to Aska.
Yeah, so I had a question about like global reach and like sustainability as you expand. So what would your strategy be for like continuing to like attract users and donations from around the world, and how do you sustain that user base?
So our marketing idea is basically ads, especially on social media, and especially what's going on all around the world now. We feel that if people know they have a way, just regular people, like they don't have to be like really rich, or they don't have to be in some sort of like high authority power. If they know that they have a way to help and contribute to people all around the world for different kinds of medical assistance. So we talked about how maybe someone lost a family member to cancer. So if they see someone whose story they feel is heartfelt, they would be able to do that as well. So
Okay, and then
And
for the next, yeah,
sorry.
go ahead.
And also probably reach out to other companies in different countries that align with our ideals, and kind of have like some sort of, not quite sponsorship, but something similar, so then we can also start reaching out in different places.
And another question I had was, how do you intend to market the platform to reach like diverse demographics around the world, and not just like locally within, like, for example, our communities here in Canada? Like, how would you cater this to more diverse demographics to expand that user base as well, so it's not just localized here?
well, that would also be more of like, because a lot of on social media things spread all around the world now, we would be using that as well. But also being able to campaign in other countries is something that once we have those sufficient funds, we'd be able to go out and put up advertisements and campaign there, so other people know.
And you mentioned that you would ask users for their feedback for continuous improvement. So have you like kind of thought about how your platform would collect and integrate that user feedback to like continue improving the website?
That would most likely be on the actual website itself. So there'd be a link to that page off on the website. And then also the pop-ups, like give us your feedback, stuff like that come on other apps.
And then have you thought about how your platform would manage and secure user data from different countries, especially because you know how there's varying regulations on like data privacy, especially because of the donations and everything? Have you kind of considered the implications of like different countries and how that might apply?
So as said before, we have end-to-end encryption on our part. And then there are also many verification factors and passwords that you have to do in order to even donate even $1. You must go through those many verification factors. You have to confirm with your bank. Then there's also on our part, we have people on the back end who are managing all the security risks and stuff. So yeah.
Okay, sounds great. That's all for my part. Great presentation, great demo. I really enjoyed hearing from you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.